Very good morning. Mr. C. Satyanivas, the delegates to IITC 2025, colleagues, friends in the tea industry and trade. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Percy and the organizers of IITC 2025 for inviting FETA to be part of this inaugural session. As the chairman, Mr. Paras Desai, is traveling overseas, I have the honor of representing FETA this morning. This session of Innovating the Tea Ecosystem for Tomorrow provides us the opportunity to share some thoughts on the tea trades looking to emerging trades. Though we, an industry with long and rich history, we cannot remain completely rooted to the past. The trade worldwide is seeing upheavals and head largely by technology disruption, and is inevitable that these changes will also reshape tea. Modern tea trade involves technological integration. New product developments such as organics, sustainability, and mixed teas to meet changing consumer preferences for healthier and diverse options. There is a demand for smaller particle size teas for quick brewing and growth in specific segments like cold brews, teas, and health-focused blends. Major tea-producing countries like China and India are key global players, exporting vast quantity of tea and driving innovation within the industry. The key characteristic of modern trade, the technological advantage, automated sorting and grinding machines, which is a regular thing, sensor, the main health and convenient beverage. A growing focus on health has been increased demand for tea, especially in cold and iced tea variant for refreshing purpose, organic and sustainability, different novel blends, shift of demand in different tea grades. China is the leading producers, as we all are aware, India being second. The tea promotions. The FETA is with one producer's friend, and the tea board is seeking a more action in the promotions end. There's a major challenge to fund this kind of programs that we perhaps wants to drive. The board's funding resources appears to be understrained, and the FETA's efforts towards a public-private partnership model of promotion did not see progress. We had formulated a relatively low-cost social media-centric strategies and presented to tea board. It is interesting to observe that brand promotions both by leading nationals and regional players are reflecting a distinct shift from showcasing qualities generic to tea. The inherent strength of tea as a common person's beverage must be fortified more than even before. The challenges. The microenvironment has been challenging due to geographical tensions, decade-high inflations, hurting demands and consumer choices, monetary tightening and rising interest rates impacting global economy. This impacted raw material and other costs. Several packagers have reported that tea business has been subdued due to slowdown in some key markets. I wish the ITC deliberate all the success, and thank you very much.